When the moon is shining, the cripple becomes hungry for a walk, is an Igbo proverb that speaks to the transformative power of external inspiration. The moon's light, symbolic of beauty and opportunity, can awaken a dormant longing within even those who may seem limited or held back. In this context, it suggests that circumstances, when illuminated with hope or possibility, can inspire individuals to push beyond their perceived limitations. This imagery also aligns with the profound impact of human actions such as generosity, kindness, forgiveness, and brilliance. Just as the moon's light inspires movement in the cripple, these virtues have the potential to spark transformation in others. When one person rises above adversity or extends compassion, it often creates ripples of hope and courage, encouraging others to break free from whatever shackles them, be it self-doubt, hardship, or despair. Together, the proverb and its deeper interpretation remind us of the immense, often unseen power of positive influence. By shining a light through our own actions, we can awaken hidden potential in those around us, demonstrating how interconnected and capable humanity can be when inspired by empathy and hope. Even when circumstances seem bleak, remember that your actions can make a difference. Take a moment to reflect on how you can bring light into someone else's life today. Whether it's through a kind word, a helping hand, or simply being there for someone in need, your positive influence can create ripples of hope and change. Don't underestimate the power of your actions. Together we can build a brighter, more compassionate world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content like this. Stay positive and spread the love.